Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the shapefile. What is shapefile and how we can create a new shapefile. Shapefile are GIS file format and this is the single file format. Shapefile are simple non-topological format for storing the geometric location and attribute information of the geographic features. A shapefile is one of the special data formats that you can work with and edit in ArcGIS or any other GIS software. The shapefile format defines the geometry and attributes of geographically referenced features in three or more files with specific extensions that should be stored in the same project workspace. Okay, and these files are .shp, .shx, .dbf, .prj, .xml, .cpg. These are the important files. .shp file is the main file which stores the feature geometry, and .shx is the index file which stores the index of the feature geometry, and .dbf the dbase table that stores the attribute information of features. Remember one thing, there is one-to-one relationship between geometry and attributes which is based on record number. Attribute records in the dbase file must be in the same order as records in the main file. .prj the file which stores the coordinate system, right? Then .xml stores the metadata for the feature, stores information about the shapefile. One another file is .cpg. This is an optional file which can be used to specify the code page for identifying the character set to be used. Besides this, there are many other extension files which you can see in your workspace. These are .sbn and sbx, .fbn and fbx, .ain and .aih, .atx, .ixs, .mxx, etc. Okay, each shape file must have the same prefix. For example, we are creating shapefile for road is a linear feature. Then the extensions will be roads.shp, roads.shx, roads.dbf, roads.prj, roads.xml, roads.cpg, like this. When viewing shapefile in ArcCatalog or any ArcGIS application, you will be only see one file representing the shapefile. However, you can use Windows Explorer to view all files associated with the shapefiles. When copying shapefiles, it recommended that you do so in ArcCatalog or by using geoprocessing tool. However, if you do copy a shapefile outside ArcGIS or GIS software, be sure to copy all the files that make up the shapefile. Right? Then what is the size of shapefile and what is the size limitation of these shapefiles? Each of the component files of a shapefile is limited to 2 GB each. Therefore, .dbf file cannot exceed 2 GB and .shp files cannot exceed 2 GB. These are the only files that are likely to be huge. The total size for all the component file can exceed 2 GB, right? To create a shapefile, open ArcMap. Then select folder or folder connection in the catalog tree. Then click File menu, point to New, then click Shapefile. Click in the name text box and type a name for new shapefile. Here I am writing landmark. Click the feature type, drop down arrow, and click the type of geometry the shapefile will contain. Here I am taking point. There are many other options like point, polyline, polygon. Then click Edit to define the shapefile's coordinate system. Select a coordinate system for current shapefile. Here I am selecting giving projection system to this shapefile. I am in Himachal Pradesh, so my UTM zone is 43 north, so I am selecting UTM 43 north. You can also import the coordinate system from other vector layers. Then click OK. If the shapefile stores polylines representing roots, then you can check this box. Coordinates will contain M value. If the shapefile will store 3-dimension features, then check coordinate will contain Z value. Currently we don't have, so click OK. This new shapefile will appear in the folder and as well as also in the table of content. By right click on the shapefile, you can see the attributes, or in attribute table you can add columns in the table, and in the edit toolbar you can start editing and then start creating features. These all features will store in your table. Information will be stored in the dbf file, and shape will be stored in .shp, and the coordinate system will store in the prg file. In this way you can save edits. It will store all the information which you have created. Thank you.